Bertle, so I wasn't able to find your website, um, but I believe you're around the Philly area. If not, sorry about that. Uh, but anyways, I searched roof repair Philadelphia. Um, this is these are this is Google Ads. There's some here too. These are you have to be certified. They're a little less spammy. They're supposed to be at least. And then you got these ads. Um, and you got the GMB, and then you got the organic ranking. Grabbing this guy, who I believe is your competitor. Scrolling down, you'll see he's got a decent amount of content. Nothing major, 785. So you'd probably want to have 1500. About double what he's got. Google loves content. The more content, the better. You also want to make sure you have keywords organically in there. And then come and checking out these images, see what it's saved as. Yeah, that's not saved right. You'd want that saved as a keyword, so you'd want roof repair Philadelphia or roof repair Philly. Oh, this one's saved right. Roofers in Philly. So he's got one saved right, one not saved right. Let's see what about this one. He doesn't have that saved right, so he just got lucky with the one. So, or maybe I don't know, but he should have them all saved as keywords. Popping this guy over in Ahrefs. You'll see he's got 18 UR, 1.5 DR, 113 backlinks, 24 referring domains. So he's not super strong there. That's pretty easy to beat. We can come in here and grab the ones that he does have. Not all backlinks are the same. So you want to get ones that have a high DR, high UR. You don't want spammy backlinks, as well as you want to make sure they are relevant to your industry. You don't want to have you don't want to have deep sea fishing website linking back to you. You'd want to have, roofing or construction companies or websites, web pages linking back to you. But you can come in here and find ones that look good. Let's see about this. I don't remember what that one was rated. 80 and 11. If you like that, you could come grab that. Looks like you got to create your account, and then you can put your business up here, and you'd get a do follow backlink with that. Next, where am I going? Other ways, then you can go check out other competitors and grab all their backlinks too. All the good ones. You don't want to get the bad ones. You can get them other ways as well. You can get blog posts, guest blogs or guest posts, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that links back to you. But you again want to make sure it's coming from a good URDR and is relevant to your industry. Check out this guy's keywords. Roofing Philadelphia top keyword. He's position number 1. 100 people search that a month. 19 KD. 19, that's going to be harder to rank for. The lower KD, the easier. So 19 is going to take you a little bit to rank for. But you can come down and check out for some lower ones. Roofer in Philadelphia. 150 people search that. 8 KD, so that's a lot easier to rank for. It'll still take a little bit, but you can get that one a lot faster than these other ones. But you can come down here and find even other ones. Window capping Philadelphia. If you do window capping, only 20 people search that, so not all that much for volume, but 0 KD, so it's super easy to rank for. Let's see. But we can come and check all these out. Here's some 8 roofer in Philly. I think I already said that one. Let's see. Emergency roof repair Philadelphia. Only 10 people search that, but it's 1 KD. Super easy to rank for. But yeah, we can go through all this, guys, and then go check out other competitors and find the best ones to put on your website, either through images save as and organically in your content. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one set one up, it's free to do. Make sure you fill it out 100%. You want to complete it. Then you want to make sure you add as many photos as you can, saved with keywords. Photos are the content for the GMB. Next thing would be citations. This guy has 39 citations. That's found so far. It's still searching, but citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. Facebook will give you them. BBB, YouTube can give you them. Anywhere that you can put your name, your phone number, and then your location. You have to have those all the exact same as on your GMB, and then you can get a citation for that. And then you can start ranking in the GMB. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk on the phone or on a video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.